In 3, 2, 1. When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need, when you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in reverse, and when the tears come streaming down your face, when you lose something you can't replace, and when you love someone but it goes to waste, and could it be worse? Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. And I will try to fix you. And high up above or down below, when you're too in love to let it go. But if you never try, you'll never know just what you were. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. And I will try to fix you. Tears stream down your face when you lose something you cannot replace. Tears stream down your face, and oh, tears stream down your face. Promise you that I'll learn from my mistakes. Tears stream down your face, and lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. And I will try to fix you. We did it. What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for watching this ukulele cover and play along for Fix You by Coldplay on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. My analytics shows me that over 70% of you that watch these videos and come back and continuously watch my videos have not hit that red subscribe button. So please make sure to double check that you've hit that red subscribe button. It will turn gray, and that means you're part of the uke fam. We're getting closer and closer every day to 100,000 subscribers on the channel, so please double check. Also, please share my channel out to maybe your granny, your neighbors, your uncles, your cousins, your dog. Maybe your dog has a YouTube channel. Please share my channel out. Let's get to 100K sooner than later. We're going to do something very special for that. So again, make sure you double check that you've subscribed. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is this beautiful uke that you're playing in this video? Well, let me tell you. This is a concert size or a tenor sized Enya ukulele. It also does come in concert size, which is size down. I'll leave links to both the concert and the tenor size in the description below. It's super affordable. It won't break the bank. Literally, you would think this is super expensive because how it looks, how it sounds, just everything, its aesthetic is on point, but is actually super affordable. So again, links for that will be down below. Also talking about links in the description, links to my merch. Currently wearing the Uke Fam hat and the Potato Squad hoodie. If you want to support this channel, get some merch, that will be down below. Also links to all of my socials. Everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to friend me, add me, send me a DM, letting me know what video you came from. And also please, please, please leave your recommendations down below for songs or anything you want to see on this channel in the comments below. I love going through them. I love responding. And also I love listening to your song recommendations, and maybe, just maybe, the next video might be your song. So make sure to leave your comments down below. But that is it from me. I love ya. I hate to leave ya, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.